Only the 2020 Essenza SCV12 track vehicles owners will be able to purchase the limited edition Urus. FK Tech here. In 2024, Lamborghini will release a limited run of the Urus Performante named the Essenza SCV12. Only 40 owners of the 2021 Essenza SCV12 track vehicle will have access to the exclusive Urus SCV12. Lambo's ad personam division handles production, and there's plenty of carbon fiber on display or a racing-inspired paint job. The new Lamborghini Urus is an ultra-exclusive high-performance SUV that caters to the brand's most affluent clientele. There will only ever be 40 made, and you probably won't be able to afford one no matter how many digits follow your bank account number. The new Urus Essenza SCV12 is exclusive to purchasers of the 2020 Essenza SCV12 race vehicle, so everybody else who wants one can forget it. No, the new model does not have a V12 engine. Even while it has a spectacular livery to match the thrill of the SCV12 track car, the special edition is really simply a Urus Performante. Instead, the Essenza shares the performance twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 and its 657 horsepower with the base model. That's a lot of muscle, but it can't compare to the 819 horsepower produced by the 6.5-liter V12 in the race vehicle. Lamborghini claims that their ad personam division oversaw the project, which now lets Essenza SCV12 buyers choose their own Urus configuration. The manufacturer spared no expense with the carbon fiber components. The unique Urus has a carbon fiber body, including the frame, bonnet, roof, mirrors, and rocker covers. Lamborghini collaborated with each buyer to create a unique Urus livery that mirrored the look of their own Essenza SCV12, right down to the serial number. The new SCV12 comes with gloss black wheels measuring 23 inches as standard equipment, but buyers may choose from a wide array of other colors and sizes available from Lamborghini. The Urus SCV12 is distinguished from the regular model by two plaques, one commemorating Lamborghini's 60th birthday and the other with the owner's name. The Essenza SCV12 emblem and plaques placed throughout the interior serve to constantly remind the driver and passengers that this is the premium model. Even though Lamborghini hasn't announced the price of the Urus Essenza SCV12, it's irrelevant since the track vehicle is worthless to its current owners. The Urus S has a new matte black stainless steel skid plate and a redesigned front bumper with horizontal grille pieces in place of the previous model's hexagonal shape. The carbon fiber hood is available in gloss black, body color, or carbon fiber, and it shares the performance tiny air vents. A carbon fiber roof is an available option, and the Urus's rear bumper takes on the more aggressive design found on the Performante, albeit the Urus S loses the performance tiny rear spoiler. According to Lamborghini, the exhaust has been fine-tuned, and new 22 and 23-inch wheel sizes have been added to the lineup. There are now a wider variety of interior paint and trim choices. U.S. pricing for the 2023 Urus has not yet been disclosed, but we anticipate it to be somewhat more than the $229,495 base price of the current generation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.